Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you Mole, the open source tool that can deep clean your Mac, uninstall apps and leftover files, analyze your disk space usage, all for free, straight from the terminal app. And the best part, it's 100% open source, completely free forever. No ads, no tracking, no $40 per year subscription like Clean My Mac. Even if you've never opened terminal app before, I'll walk you through every single step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use the terminal like a pro and clean your Mac for free. So Mole is made by TW93 and released on GitHub under the MIT license. That means it's 100% free forever, you can read the code yourself, no ads, no pro version, and it's super lightweight. Plus, while you are using it, you will learn real terminal skills, the most powerful tool on your Mac. Once you know it, you will never want to go back to junky apps like Clean My Mac and other paid garbage. So, how to install Mole? Step number 1. Open Terminal and install Homebrew. Simply copy and paste this command and hit enter. I will leave this terminal command in the description of this video. Enter your system passcode and just wait a couple of seconds. Once you have entered your password, the app will inform you about the installation process. Press enter again to continue the installation process. The installation process takes just a couple of seconds, depending on the internet speed. It's downloading and installing Homebrew, different files. Simply wait. Step number 2. Install Mole. In the terminal app, copy and paste this command next and hit enter. The installation process is super simple and fast. Just copy and paste 2 terminal commands and simply wait. Congratulations, you have just finished the installation process of Mole. Step number 3. Run Mole. Type in terminal MO and hit enter. A beautiful menu pops up. You can navigate with arrow keys and pick different options. Alright, so let's start with the first and probably the most important feature of this app. Clean your Mac. Simply select this option and enter your password. The password will not be visible, but it's okay. Just hit enter and then simply wait. Usually the cleaning process takes from 1 to 3 minutes, depending on the size of your storage, the size of leftover files. In my case, it took around 2 to 3 minutes. So simply wait, you can drink a cup of coffee. This little terminal app is really super efficient because it analyzes system crash reports, system logs, system diagnostics, like everything, user app cache, user app logs, trash. I'm so surprised a free tool is better than paid apps, like I'm not kidding you. On the internet, I saw screenshots of people cleaning up to 80 gigabytes of storage. By the way, this free solution was suggested to me by one of my subscribers. What I especially like about Mole is that it's all-in-one toolkit. It combines Clean My Mac, App Cleaner, Daisy Disk, and iStat menus in a single binary app. And it's free. It can perform deep cleaning, removes caches, logs, and browser leftovers to reclaim gigabytes of space on your Mac. This terminal app is so simple to use. Just type MO and hit enter, select one of 5 options, and clean your Mac. Then simply wait until the app does the job. So in my case it took around 4 minutes and I was able to free 2.34 gigabytes. But when I first tried Mole, it already cleaned over 50 gigabytes of garbage on my computer. It's quite impressive. Alright, so the second feature of Mole is the ability to uninstall apps and remove apps completely. Simply select the option uninstall. The terminal app will scan all your apps, it will collect the data, then simply select the app you want to uninstall. Not only it will uninstall the app, but it will also clean all leftover files the app might have left on your computer. So for example, in my case, I will try to delete something useless. Well, I have a lot of different apps and everything seems to be useful. Let's try to remove something. Like, everything I have on my computer has a purpose. Alright, so let's remove the Pixelmator. Select the app and hit enter. Uninstall complete. Wow, I'm impressed. Feature number 3. Optimize your system. Select this option and hit enter. Enter your password. Mole will run a series of optimization scripts, like for example it will flush the DNS cache. Well, actually I have no idea what are those optimizations, but every time I run it, my computer feels a lot snappier and faster. So I'm using this optimization feature from time to time, and I encourage you to try this thing on your own machine. For example, Clean My Mac and other cleaning apps have similar features, but they are paid, and Clean My Mac is like $40 per year, so why should you pay for something that you can have for free? And it's even better. Guys, because I showed you this free software, my channel will probably never be sponsored by Clean My Mac, but whatever. I just like sharing useful stuff for free, so if you want to support me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. So as you can see, Mole has just finished optimization of my system. Feature number 4. Analyze. Explore your disk usage. Simply select a disk to analyze. In my case, I selected my home folder, app library applications, and the app analyzing disk usage, and it will show me cool graphs from where I will be able to make decisions whether I have to clean some folders or not. You know, it just gives you this visual representation of your file system. Again, there are paid apps that are doing the same thing, but you can have it for free, so why not use it? The last feature is called Status. Monitor your system health. Well, basically it will show you your system usage, your CPU, GPU, disk usage, memory, power, network, and processes. This feature replaces the iStat menus, a paid app that I already have. Guys, thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you've enjoyed it, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will leave the download links in the description of this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please write down in the comment section. Thanks again for watching and have a nice day. Peace.